Good morning, sixth graders. I am here with my lovely assistant, Brianna, and we are going to walk you through the lab. Now, you'll notice that we are doing a lab that is on page 5. So we're actually skipping pages 3 and 4 today. We're going to get back to those on Monday, all right? So today we're just going to do a quick lab. All you need is a thermometer, some calcium chloride that's already in your cup for you, some baking soda or nacho, some water, a couple small plastic cups, graduated cylinder, and a couple of measuring spoons. So the first part says pour 15 milliliters of water into each of the 2 small plastic cups. And Brianna is going to do that for me right now. I am going to make this a big screen so that you can see what we are doing. She's measuring 15 milliliters, and there she goes.
Oh, I did too much.
Okay. No, just pour it in there. I don't know. And then in this cup, so we've got 15 milliliters in each cup. Okay. And then, as the lab says, we are going to place a small thermometer in each cup and record the initial temperature. I'll open up this one. You can record the temperature on that. And these thermometers are in Celsius. So we're gonna take our initial temperature here, and then you guys can write that right in on your lab sheets, okay? Distance learners, we will tell you what our temperature is, and you can type that into your lab sheets. Okay, what do you got there?
Probably like
22? 22 degrees Celsius. That's our starting temperature, okay? Then it says place a small thermometer in oh, we already did that. With the help of a partner. Good thing you're here. And at the same time, we are going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of calcium chloride and a 1/2 teaspoon to the other cup. So you can get the 1/4 or the 1/2, either one. Which one do you want?
The 1/4, right?
Yep, that's the 1/4. So grab a 1/4 teaspoon of that. Don't put it in yet. We're going to do it at the same time. Okay.
Popcorn kernels.
It is like popcorn kernels. This is, again, CaCl2. It's calcium chloride. This is the stuff that we would use to melt ice on our driveway. So I've got a 1/2 teaspoon. She has got a full teaspoon. And we are going to pour it in at the same time. 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh. And then we're going to swirl. And we're going to both watch the temperatures. Feel the bottom of the cup. Does it feel warm at all yet?
It's cold.
Yours is cold still?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll keep going. We'll keep going. It's going up a little bit.
Mine's cold. I think mine has an endothermic reaction.
It's not endothermic. It's exothermic.
What?
Well, look at the temperature. My temperature climbed. Did yours?
Not really.
Not as much, huh?
Not really. So it's kind of a 1/2 and 1/2.
Kind of a 1/2 and 1/2. Mine's all the way up to 30 by now. So she put in a 1/4 teaspoon.
Mine's like a 25. Probably.
25. So it went up a little bit. Mine went up a lot more, and I put more calcium chloride in. Okay, that's a good story. Let's see what we do from here. Okay, we're going to go back here. It says, with the thermometer still in the cups, gently swirl both and check the temperatures. Record the highest final temperatures. Okay, so our initial, what we're going to put in our lab sheet, our initial temperature was 22 degrees, 22 degrees. Final temperature for yours?
Is 25.
25 degrees minus 30. Final change in temperature, we're going to take 25 minus 22, which is 3 degrees, so that's the final change in temperature. My final change in temperature will be 8. It'll be 8. 8 degrees Celsius. Okay, then we go on to the next one. It says add a 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda to the solution that reached the highest temperature. That's mine. Okay, so you go ahead and dump that in there. I already measured it. Yep, I already measured it. So we're going to dump that in there, and we're going to swirl it around, and we're going to watch the temperature here now and see what happens. Ooh, it's bubbling, so we know something's happening. Temperature going up, or is the temperature going down?
I feel like it went down.
It is going down.
So it's an endothermic.
This is endothermic, yes.
I got it right finally.
And it's going down. Well, that's handy. Okay, so then on our lab sheets, what we're going to write is temperature of the calcium chloride from step 4. Okay, that was 30. Calcium chloride solution plus a quarter of baking soda. It went back down to like 24 degrees. Okay, so then our change in temperature would be 6. Okay, so this is kind of we're kind of foreshadowing on how you're going to be making your incubator. You guys are going to find the perfect concentration of these chemicals to reach a specific temperature. And it's going to be so much fun. We're just going to have a blast. Okay, so that all we're going to do today is just take in this right here, take this information, and then also you can start thinking about, should we use baking soda in the design of a portable reptile egg incubator? What are some disadvantages? What are some advantages? All right, and that is that. We'll talk to you soon.